How to set your Brisk audio ringtone on an iPhone using GarageBand. Start by creating your ringtone in Brisk Audio and downloading it in M4R format. You can use Brisk Audio on your iPhone to create the ringtone, or if you use your desktop computer, set up Cloud Sync in the Brisk Audio settings to access the file on all of your devices from your Brisk Audio account. Open GarageBand on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store. Create a new project by selecting Audio Recorder or any instrument, then tap the Tracks button to switch to the timeline view. Tap the Loop Browser button, then open the Files tab. Browse to your downloaded Brisk audio ringtone and import it into the project by dragging it onto the timeline. If needed, trim the audio so it is 30 seconds or less, since iPhone ringtones cannot exceed this length. When you're finished, tap the file icon in the top left corner. GarageBand saves the project automatically. In the browser, touch and hold the project, then tap Share. Choose Ringtone, enter a name for your ringtone, and tap Export. After the export is complete, tap Use Sound As, then select Standard Ringtone to make it your default ringtone immediately. You can also choose Done and set it later by opening Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone, and selecting your custom ringtone. For more Brisk audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.